the Make-Believe Learning Playhouse. Hey guys, let's make some Halloween masks, okay? There's 3 to choose from. There's a witch, Frankenstein, and Dracula. I think I will start with Frankenstein. What color is his face, do you know? Yeah, green. Cool. And what about his hair? I think I'll make it black. And last, we have these 2 bolts. I think I'll color my bolts gray. Well, grab your scissors and let's cut it out, okay? Be careful. Make sure you stay on the dotted line, okay? Now it's time to do some folding. Please fold it on the dotted line like this, okay? 1 there, and 1 there. Great. And grab some glue. This will make the paper thicker, so it's stronger. Great. Now we need to poke a hole. You can use a pencil or a screwdriver, whatever you have. Put an eraser underneath like this, and just poke a hole. Be careful, don't poke yourself. There's 1 and 2. Now we need some rubber bands. This part's kind of tricky. Stick the rubber bands through the hole like this. And make a loop. And just like that. Great! You can also use string if you want, but I like rubber bands better. Great, and we're all done. Now we need to cut out the eyes. This part's kind of difficult. Maybe poke a hole in it first like this, and then you can stick the scissors in the hole and cut it out, okay? You might want to ask your mother or father to help you with this part. It's kind of difficult, and I really don't want you to hurt yourself. There's 1. And cut the last one. Great! And we're all done our Frankenstein mask. Let's do the same with the other masks, okay? The witch. And the Dracula. Great! And there's our 3 masks. But hey, I think we need to add some color, don't you? Wow! And we're all done. Hey, let's go play with my friends, okay? Great! What do you want to be for Halloween?
I don't know.
I want to be scary. I want to be scary. I want to be scary. Halloween night is coming soon. I want to be scary. Should I be a mummy? Should I be a ghost? Should I be a fairy?
Scary.
Yeah, I guess you're right. I wanna be scary. I wanna be scary. Halloween night is coming soon. I wanna be scary. Should I be a spider? Should I be a bat? Should I be a strawberry?
Hey, that's a fruit. That's not scary.
I wanna be scary. I wanna be scary. Halloween night is coming soon. I wanna be scary. I wanna be scary. Halloween night is coming soon. I wanna be scary. Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hi guys, I hope you're happy today. If you subscribe, I'll be happy too. Yeah!